everyone! Today we are talking tan. So I am very fair skinned, as you guys can see, and I like to fake my sun till I make it. So one of my tricks is I like to self-tan. I don't really like to sit out in the sun because I study medicine and I learned all about the horrible things the sun can do to your skin. So I get my tan on in the bathroom. So far, my favorite self-tanner is the Loving Tan. I do the 2-hour Express Deluxe Bronzing Mousse in dark. This stuff, I'm not gonna lie, this is gonna be just my second time using this, and I am in love with it. Like, love it. I've used quite a few self-tanners in the past. I had my first self-tanning experience prior to my pageant, and that's gonna be about a year and so ago. So I have quite some experience in self-tanning. I've used St. Tropez. St. Tropez is also an amazing brand. I actually use their face tanning moisturizer for tanning my face. I like it because it doesn't clog my pores. I have mentioned in my previous videos that I have problem skin, so I like this. And later on in the video I'm going to explain to you how I use all of this and the steps I do. Other self-tanners I have used, I use the Tarte self-tanner, the new one that just came out. I'm gonna put a little image of it right here. So not my favorite self-tanner. It kind of left me very streaky, and I found that I had to mix a little bit of my Farsali gold elixir oil into the solution in order for it to like spread out evenly. Returned that real quick. I was not a fan. I literally felt like my back, I looked like I had like I would look like a leopard. It wasn't cute. Like I had like cheetah spots. But as I was returning it, the lady at the cash register said that she had an amazing experience with that self-tanner. So I guess it all depends on your skin type and how your body reacts to self-tanners and different brands and different chemicals. This is the products that work great on me, what looks good on me. I do have a combination oily, dry, some sensitive skin. So if you have similar skin to me and you think you can totally relate, then I would definitely recommend these self-tanners. I will mention that both Loving Tan and St. Tropez have great media reputations, and that is for a reason, guys. They're really good. So I'm in my little robe because I just got out of the shower. I shaved, exfoliated, and I'm ready to tan. And I wanted to show you guys kind of like a before and after. I did not wash my face because I do my face kind of like in the end because I do have to rinse off in 2 hours. So I don't like to wet my face and then do the whole thing. So I just wash my face all the way in the end. So let me just walk you guys through this process. So you're gonna get in the shower, you're gonna shave, you're gonna exfoliate. I like to exfoliate with the Victoria's Secret Pink Charcoal Magic. This stuff, I like it because charcoal is really good for detoxing your body and your skin. So I exfoliate with this little bad boy, and I do have a Loving Tan exfoliating mitt that I left in the shower, and it's soaking wet right now, so I'm gonna describe it to you. It's a two-sided mitt, and it's good for exfoliating and removing previous tanner so you don't get patchy. So I use the mitt and I put I put my exfoliator on my mitt and I exfoliate my entire body. Once I exfoliate, I shave, make sure everything is all perfect for my self-tanning session. Now, prior to self-tanning, I do like to moisturize. This moisturizer is for stretch marks, but I use it because it's very densely packed with cocoa butter, and cocoa butter just leaves your skin super smooth. Now, I don't moisturize my entire body before self-tanning. I only moisturize my knees, my knuckles, and my elbows. So areas that are more prone to getting extra dry and you don't want any like weird marks on it. So those are the only areas that I moisturize prior to tanning. When I use my Loving Tan, I use the mitt. This did not come with it, I paid for this. So I like to just put out like 2 pumps and I go body part by body part. So I'll start with my knees, my leg. This is the mitt. I did have to pay extra for the mitt. I believe it was $14.99 at Ulta. So I work from the bottom up and I kind of leave this area for last. And what you really basically want to concentrate on are the parts of your body that do get most tan when you are sitting in the sun. So your shoulders, your chest, your legs. So you just work your way from the bottom up. So I'm gonna go do that right now, and then I'm gonna show you guys midway process of how it's going on, and then in 2 hours I have to rinse it off. Now I read online that you do not rinse off with soap because you're gonna remove the tan from your body. So you're just gonna get the water and you're just gonna rinse it off with your hands and water, and that's it, okay? You can moisturize a bit after. I would really recommend waiting to moisturize the following day. It is also recommended that as you're letting your tan set in your body for those 2 hours, if you have the 2-hour express one, or for however many hours the tanning lotion you have on, you wear dark clothing because I really want the color to set into my skin. I don't want it to escape with lighter colored clothing. So they do recommend, they do have it also on the Loving Tan website. They give you great tips of how to make sure you get the best tan possible, and wearing dark clothing while your tan is setting is definitely on that list. So I'm gonna go put this bad boy on. So take a good look. This is how white I am. I am very, very fair skinned. So let's go put on some tanning lotion. All right, everyone, I just applied the self tanner. So I'm gonna put a little timer on my phone for 2 hours and show you the complete Loving Tan official look. Again, this is my favorite self tanner in the entire world. So I'm so happy I get to show it with you guys. Hey everyone, okay, so it's been 2 hours and I'm getting ready to wash this tan and have it set. So I think it did a pretty decent job. Again, I don't want it to be too dark or too drastic because, mind you, I don't tan my face as intensely as I tan my body, but I'm really loving the result. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera as much as I can because I have this like huge bright light in my face, but I will post the little before and after pictures and the little slideshow right now. And yeah. So thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed my little self-tanning routine. Definitely recommend Loving Tan. Remember, you can put as many layers and make it as dark and intense as you'd like it to be. I like to have a little bit of color, kind of look like I go to the beach. I do go to the beach, but apparently not as much as I should. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be posting videos every week, and thank you for tuning in. See you next time.